Drape forming is a method to make thermoplastic prosthetic sockets, liners and orthoses. The activation technique is quite straightforward. You can just heat your thermoplastic sheet flat in the oven. And when it's activated, you can manually form it around your positive mold. For drape forming, you will need a thermoplastic material with self-adhesive properties, like Orfitrans XL. It comes in different thicknesses, but we recommend choosing 3, 4 or 5 millimeters. This will give you the best results. The advantage of drape forming is that you will have an even thickness all over the device. Let's get started. Before you get started, ensure that all necessary tools are within reach to be able to work quickly and efficiently. Keep a copy of the Orfitrans safety data sheets on hand at all times. Begin with the preparation of the positive mold for drape forming. We are using a plaster model. First, spray the mold with an acrylic varnish. Do this below an air extractor. The varnish will insulate the mold and prevent water coming into contact with the thermoplastic later on. Allow this to set. Once the varnish is dry, treat the mold with a very light layer of silicone demolding spray. Remove the excess with a paper towel. If necessary, move the model to a space where you can comfortably drape form. Position the positive mold at a horizontal angle. This will make it easier to evenly drape the thermoplastic material. Now you can connect a vacuum system if you're using one. Note that you can also drape form without a vacuum system. Locate a label on your Orfitrans Excel sheet and retain it, or take an image of it. Cut the sheet to an appropriate size for your positive mold. First of all, check the sheet for any damage or non-conformities before use. In case of damage, do not use the item. Remove the protective foil on both sides of the thermoplastic sheet. If you don't do this, the sheet will not heat correctly. Place the Orfitrans XL on a Teflon sheet and put it in the convection or infrared oven. We are using an Orfitrans XL sheet of 4 mm thickness, so we will heat it for 3.5 minutes. You can find the optimal heating time for each thickness in the instructions of use. Take the Orfitrans XL sheet out of the oven. Always wear suitable clothing to avoid contact with the materials at a very high temperature. Wear proper insulating gloves. Carefully drape the material over the positive mold. Create a seam along the lower side of the mold by pressing the material together. Once the seam is secure, you can slowly activate the vacuum, if you are using one. Make sure that the material conforms evenly and try to avoid air bubbles. While the material is still hot, use scissors to cut away excess material and create a seam. Now you can form and press the material around the mold while wearing heat-resistant gloves. Leave the socket to cool down on the mold for 24 hours. After the socket has hardened, remove it from the mold. Begin by cutting off some of the excess material. When you notice that the material has loosened, carefully slide the socket off the mold. Now it's important to take some time to smooth out the seam. First, sand the seam to make it flatter and smoother. After that, slide the socket back on the model and continue finishing the seam. Reheat it with a heat gun and use a narrow, round object to roll along the seam. This will flatten it out even more. Take your time for this step. The seam should become almost undetectable. Now you can finish and polish the edges of the socket as preferred. And your socket is done. The edges should be perfectly soft and smooth.